everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 1st to the 5th of August 2022 on Monday. Kosinati's walk of shame is seen by Ntokozo and Teddy. Sibongile's news are leaked on Tuesday. Zota runs into an old temptation that threatened to take her down a dark path. There is a new principal and things are about to change at Gomora High on Wednesday. Zota managed to avoid temptation, but her problems are still standing. Gladys gets a declaration of love and it throws her off on Thursday. Mazati's hijacking goes wrong and she makes things worse. Tati gets an unexpected lead from an unexpected source on Friday. Tati lashes out at Gladys for cancelling Gugu the past issues. Teddy gets his illegal license and PDP, but he is laughed at. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.